Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the area of triangle. So when we talk about the area of a triangle, we're looking at to the sides of the angle which is non-right angle. If it is non-right angle, we can classify that to the first one, A, this is the right angle, and this is A, and that is B, C, and this is angle C. This is B, that is H, and D, that is A. So if we look at this, this is known as acute angle. We know that total angle A plus total angle B plus total angle C is 180. But as it is not isosceles or not equilateral triangle, we can find the height. So the height, can be found for acute angle by applying sine C equals to h over b. So h equals to b times sine C. This is how you can find the area. And then we can move to another angle, which is B. For B, there is obtuse angle. So in obtuse angle, this is B, C, D, A. That is C, A, B, H. And this is another angle, which is 180 minus angle C. And this is the right angle. So what we can learn from this angle, both are triangle, but one is acute, the above, the below one is obtuse angle. So sine C here, which is something that we have to find out, or if it is known. So 180 minus C equals to the height out of B. Okay, so we can find that height equals to B times sine 180 minus C. So the C is here, the one that the theta. Okay, so if we try to simplify, B sine 180 minus C, and then we can also find that sine 180 minus C equals to sine C. Sine C, we got that it is h over b. So you can substitute it. Sine 180 minus C, which is h over b. Makes sense, right? So then we can find that h, that's the same thing with b sine C. Now let's see the questions. the one that we can use to understand. Before that, we know that in general then, area of non-right angle triangle equals to half times A times H. By applying the sine rule, then the area, this is for the general, area of non-right angle triangle, then A equals to half AB sine C. Half AB sine C. We have to know that the side of the angle, if this is one of the angle, this is a part of the side. So this is the side, that's the side, and this is we call as included angle. So when there is a question, find the area of triangle ABC. So the area of triangle ABC, then this is A, B, C. This is 28 degree. This is 11 centimeter, 15 centimeter. So we can find the angle that, the area I meant. So the area of the triangle equals to half, this is reflects to A, that reflects to C, and that's B. Half times angle B, or half times side A times side C times sine angle B. So this is half times 15 times 11 times sine 28 degree. Then it is exactly 38.7 cm square. Remember, sometimes the question asks you in 2 or 3 significant figure, or if it is 2, then you can give it the answer 39 cm square. Okay.